Good afternoon. This is Phil Holmes reporting for the Williamsport Sun-Gazette on Route 15, just above the Trout Run interchange on Route 15, where a little after 3 o'clock on Saturday afternoon, this empty tanker truck jackknifed. The driver, Carolyn Armstrong of Ontario, Canada, told the Williamsport Sun-Gazette that she was northbound, coming around that curve, and it was raining heavily, just pouring, and she believes she hydroplaned. You can see right in the median here marks left by the tires of the tractor trailer as it came up and then jackknifed. Miss Armstrong, who's also from Ontario, Canada, said she had offloaded some food items, food grades, in Dover, Delaware, and then returned to her base in Ontario, Canada, when this mishap occurred. That's Trout Run Volunteer Fire Chief Bob Whitbird talking to his ambulance crew. He's in charge here at the scene. Fire police have the lane down to have the traffic down to one lane, and that's Miss Armstrong there. She's talking to the state trooper who's investigating this accident. She climbed out on the out of the rig on her own, and she did not suffer any injuries. That's the situation. Jackknife tractor trailer here on Route 15. PennDOT's on the scene. They're here investigating. They have a representative here. And efforts are being made now to bring a crew here, tow truck operations crew, to help get this tractor trailer truck back on the road. Phil Holmes reporting north of Trout Run on Route 15 in Lewis Township. Phil Holmes reporting for the Williamsport Sun-Gazette.